She brought me back to being the man that I had hoped that I would be as a kid. Somehow, we just fell in love, and before I knew the moment that it happened, I just woke up one morning and realized that it had taken place a long time ago, probably on our first date. The last 3 months of my life have been probably the happiest I'd ever been.
On my second date with Vince, I texted some of my bridesmaids and I said, I just knew I wanted someone who loved the Lord and loved his family. And that was definitely Vince. He was just so kind and compassionate. And right away, things just felt very easy. Everything's been very easy.
You and I left the world behind. You and
We actually met on a dating app, so Tinder. I had lost my credit card in the US and I was really in need of some dinner because I was living in Hawaii and I had no way of getting any money for a week.
She, I think, was looking for someone to kind of maybe take her out to dinner, and I was looking for someone that wasn't trying to make me take him to dinner, so I specifically made her go on a hike with me.
He didn't want to take some random girl for dinner, so he invited me on a hike. We went hiking and then we had dinner and then we had a date every day ever since. So
she basically showed me the island that I lived on for about 5 years in 2 months.
you and I left the world behind. You and I, all we know, it couldn't get better than this.
So he's very passionate about his work and about the people that he loves. He can be very loud, but he's also quite goofy. So he can be the center of attention or the life of the party, but he's also very serious about his work.
She's the combination of so many traits that I never knew could exist in one person. She's the most kind-hearted, intelligent, beautiful, and ambitious woman I've ever known. Samantha. I never knew the benefits of patience until our first date, when you were 45 minutes late. Blessed by a sudden wind of patience, our paths finally crossed, and now I can't imagine a life in which they didn't. Since then, I've come to realize that despite being 15 minutes early to places or events, by association, I'll likely be 50 minutes late from now on. With that being said, I promise to be patient with you, but still let you know when we're running late. I will cherish the simple fact that I am with you. When you somehow got your 25% military discount at Lululemon, I was concerned that you got what you came for and would disappear. But here we are today, so I'm glad that wasn't your primary goal. And with that, I promise that in addition to 25% discounts, you'll always have 100% of my heart.
Vince, I vow to love you without reservation, without question, without conditions. As a family, I vow to create a home with you filled with love of the Lord, adventure, learning, laughter, respect, and compassion. I would vow to be on time, but we all know that that would be a lie. So instead, I'll vow to always be worth the wait. I vow to limit my time in Lululemon to an amount I haven't yet decided on. And contrary to popular belief, I'm not marrying you for the military discount. I didn't choose the career that you have, and I know I won't always love it. I know that next year, on our first wedding anniversary, when you're deployed oceans away, I won't love it then. But I will love you, because I choose you. I vow to love you and honor our commitment when we're near and far from each other. Above all else, I promise to love you deeply. Before you asked me, I was yours, and today I am devoted to you in every way. I marry you with no hesitation or doubt, and my commitment to you is absolute. Now and forever. I love you.
I promise to nurture your ambitions, lift you over any obstacles that lay ahead, carry you when you are weak, and celebrate your accomplishments as we sail forward through life in the ship we built here today. I promise that my love for you will never fade with time, that I will always remain faithful to you. I love you now and forever.
Inasmuch as you, Samantha and Vince, have publicly declared your faith to each other before God, I now pronounce you husband and wife in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. What God has joined together, let man not separate. And now, Vince, you may kiss your bride.
Having Vinny be my best man at my wedding. He called and said, "Hey, I'm gonna bring this new girlfriend," and she showed up and she crushed it. She did. I mean, I think she had more fun than I did. She really did. As time went on, we kept talking about like, oh wow, they're getting pretty serious, you know. And Vinny was very selective with the people he cared about.
We are blessed to have you as a daughter, Sam. We have prayed that you would meet a man you will love, you as much as we do, and you have. Please take care of our precious girl. We have 2 daughters, now we have a son. Vince, we love you and are thrilled to welcome you and your American family to our family.
First of all, I want to thank the Lord for these two finding each other. Oh my gosh, couldn't be happier. I got one piece of advice for you two newlyweds. It's not the breaths or the amount of breaths you take in this life while you're on earth. It's the amount of times you two beg to leave everyone breathless. Thank you.
Vinny, thank you for making my sister the happiest I have literally ever seen. The happiest I've ever seen her. Thank you for loving her unconditionally and loving my dad, mom, and me just the same.
One person can only accomplish so much, but two people together can accomplish the world. Hope you guys always put each other first. Cheers.